What's cooking? Good looking. Today we are going to discuss about skin pigmentation, scar, and vitiligo. We have Dr. Rashmi Sharma as our guest. Let's wait for her to get into the session. Yes,
Okay. Finally.
finally.
Yeah.
Okay, so welcome, Doctor, to our show. And
Thank you.
so, as on occasion of this Vitiligo Day, so we are taking this session. So let's talk about vitiligo first. So, what's
Yeah.
actually this vitiligo disease is?
So basically, this day, which is 25th June, is celebrated across to create awareness, in fact, global awareness about vitiligo. As you know, there are so many people already suffering from the disease. About the prevalence of the disease is about 0.5 to 2% of world population.
Mhm.
And plus, there is a lot of myth and stigma attached to this disease. So, like, people think this disease is not treatable. People feel that this disease is contagious or some sort of infections is what is happening. This is happening because of some infection. So all this is not true. On this day, we all across the media, through print media or digital media or through influencer, we try to educate people about what it is, and there is a cure for this disease. So basically, I just talk about what is vitiligo. You would have seen, Sagar, there are many people who have these white patches. You being a doctor would know what it is. But for
Yeah.
other people, there are white patches present all over the body or a localized patch, which also has white hair. If it is localized, it's very well treatable. Even if it's generalized, there are a lot of treatment options available.
Okay.
So basically, people who have vitiligo should go and consult their dermatologist and should not hesitate to meet a doctor.
Mhm. So, it's treatable, right?
Yeah.
And
Pretty much.
there should not be myths and misbeliefs about this disease, right?
Yeah, yeah. There are a lot of beliefs. People feel that this happens because of deficiency of particular food item.
Hmm.
What my patients usually ask me, the doctor, maybe my daughter is eating too much of sour things and all. Is it because
Hmm.
happening because of too much of citrus fruit or citrus vegetables or stuff? So there's nothing like that. There's no actual relevance of any dietary substance. So that there's no literature support to that.
Okay. Also, there is a myth that it is a type of leprosy. So, lots of people talk
Very
about
true,
this.
very true. That's why there's so much of stigma attached because people feel that this is leprosy and Kushtrog. Many people
Hmm.
believe that this is because you also see whitish, light colored lesion there, and here you see absolutely depigmented patches. So it's not the same, it's a different entity, and it is treatable. The best
Okay.
part, it is treatable.
That's great. That's a
And
good.
if you go to the
That's
doctor
great.
early, if you go to the doctor early, then obviously you will be fine with it. And there's no, I think somebody is requesting me to speak in Hindi. So
Okay.
विटलाइगो हाँ विटलाइगो ठीक हो सकता है ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसके लिए बेसिकली आपको दवाइयाँ लेनी चाहिए जो जो कि आपके स्किन के डॉक्टर आपको बताएंगे तो सबसे पहले तो मिलना है डॉक्टर को मीटिंग द डॉक्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट तभी तो आप ट्रीटमेंट करोगे और इससे रिलेटेड जितनी भी गलत चीजें हैं जो लोग बोलते हैं कि खाने से हो जाता है कोई खाने की कमी से हो जाता है सो ये सब गलत है ऐसा नहीं है खाने की कोई हिस्ट्री नहीं है अभी तक कि खाने से ही कुछ पर्टिकुलर आइटम खाने की कमी से या फिर कई बार लोग कहते हैं कैल्शियम डेफिशिएंसी से हो जाता है विच इज ऑल्सो नॉट ट्रू कैल्शियम डेफिशिएंसी से भी नहीं होता ऐसा नहीं है
Mhm. So, so, keeping aside all these myths, the doctors always say to the patients, go early to the doctors because early detection is very important. And the thing is treatable, so it's nothing to worry about the vitiligo, right?
एंड वी
So,
ऑल्सो हैव सर्जिकल ऑप्शंस एक्चुअली साबित
acha,
सो
acha.
मतलब ट्रीटमेंट तो ओरल टॉपिकल मेडिसिन तो है ही वी ऑल्सो हैव सर्जिकल ऑप्शन एंड नाउ देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज पिगमेंटेशन
Hmm.
जिसमें हम पिगमेंट डिपॉजिशन कर देते हैं तो अगर छोटा सा पैच है अगर उसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम है और उसमें मान लो ट्रीटमेंट काम नहीं भी कर रही पर अगर
Hmm.
स्प्रेड नहीं हो रहा तो हम उसको टैटू कर देते हैं स्किन कलर से सो वो दिखता है जैसे कलर है पर हालांकि उसको रिपीट करना पड़ता है
Okay.
2-3 साल के लिए वो चलता है बट दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रीटी मच better than putting any cream to conceal. It's like a best form of concealer which is available. Does not get washed up with water.
Okay.
So that is also a good option.
So great. So it's quite good perspective for the treatments, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So coming to our main topic, so we are going to discuss about the scars and pigmentations. So uh, What are the common areas of the scar? So lots of people face this problem. Even those who are in the fashion industry, those who want to build a career in the fashion industry or Bollywood. So that's one thing. But in day to day, in a routine life also, people are used to get this kind of inferiority complex because of all these things. So what are the common areas for this, and what are the causes for this?
इंडिया में सबसे कॉमनली तो यू सी चीक्स में ये पिगमेंटेशन होता है, बटरफ्लाई टाइप ऑफ पिगमेंटेशन हो जाता है विच इज कॉल्ड एज मेलाज्मा, या प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम में क्लोएज्मा हो जाता है. तो ये सबसे कॉमन होता है. मेनी टाइम्स यू सी सन स्पॉट्स, धूप में जाने से छोटे 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 फ्रेकल्स आ जाते हैं, लेंटिजन्स आ जाते हैं. So these are common concerns. Plus you get like around the eyes, peri or white pigmentation. You get pigmentation around your neck or your underarms area. So these are basically common areas, and you're more concerned कि face में है या कहाँ पे है. So that is more of a concern. Anything body पे अगर कुछ होता है, then still you feel एक बार को कि okay, not very visible, but face is visible to everyone. So you're more concerned, and it's people report to us early if it appears on the face. However, body अगर पे होता है तो थोड़ा delay हो जाता है presentation में.
Acha. So, but these are the whether it is causing by the dietary factors or any chromosomal factors. What?
Pigmentation के बहुत सारे causes हैं. पहले तो ये देखना है कि diffuse pigmentation है या localized pigmentation है, primary pigmentation है या secondary pigmentation है. मतलब primary का मतलब कोई disease की वजह से हुआ है या कुछ और disease हुई थी, वो ठीक होने के बाद pigmentation छोड़ दिया है उसने. जैसे आप देखते हो कि in acne, for example, acne तो ठीक हो जाता है, but it goes and it fades and it leaves behind the pigmentation.
Okay.
So that is also a part of pigmentation, which is called as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation.
Okay.
So
yes, continue.
So these are the basic common causes. Main तो एक हो गया metabolic causes है क्या? Is there any inflammatory dermatosis which is causing pigmentation? Then there's skin disorders like melasma, lichen planus, and many other diseases जिसमें pigmentation हो जाता है. कुछ drugs भी pigmentation करते हैं. Most importantly, sunlight.
अच्छा.
हम वो बात करते हैं जो हम avoid कर सकते हैं, which is in our hand, like sun. Sunscreen is a simple basic step which should be, I would like to encourage all the viewers and all your followers, to start using sunscreen.
Okay.
If
So
they want to age late and they want to prevent having any sort of pigmentary disorder, then they should use.
So this sunscreen is one option. What are the other preventive measures one can look ahead?
Preventive measures की बात करें तो when you go out, like if you're planning to go out, you should take one umbrella. You should try to cover your face as much as possible. Now आपके कपड़े भी आपको sun protection provide करते हैं. जैसे कि आपने जो clothes पहने हैं, linen fabric पहने हैं या कोई भी synthetic fabric पहने हैं, हर कपड़े का भी SPF होता है, sun protection factor, which is not known to many people. But face पे तो हम कुछ नहीं लगाते, face तो is bare. तभी sunscreen लगाना बहुत जरूरी है face पे. बॉडी के लिए तो आपने जो एरियाज, अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो तो बॉडी एरियाज में जितने कवर कर सको, फेस को भी कवर्ड रखो. वाइट ब्रिम हैट पहन लो, सन ग्लासेस पहन लो. इफ यू वांट टू गो आउट, वेयर सन ग्लासेस, दैट आल्सो विल बी वेरी नाइस. और स्टाइल भी होगा और योर स्किन विल बी प्रोटेक्टेड आल्सो. दैट कैन बी डन. देन सनस्क्रीन गोइंग हाफ एन आवर बिफोर गोइंग आउट इन सन. It takes 20 minutes for the chemical to get activated. So if it is like you are just going out and applying the sunscreen 5 minutes before that, that does not act well.
Okay. So right way to apply the sunscreen is very important.
Very important.
Yeah. Any other dietary changes if one can make to prevent this pigmentation?
For pigmentation dietary में we say lycopene has a lot of role. So lycopene is present in tomatoes, berries, citrus fruits. So ये सारी चीजें अगर खाते हैं, antioxidant rich food अगर आप खाते हो, अगर आप nuts लेते हो, which is a source of omega-3 fatty acid, and अगर आप berries खाते हो, lemon लेते हो, so ये सब चीजों से this will take care of your any sort of oxidative stress. sun की वजह से हमारे को जो oxidative stress होता है, that can be taken away and cleared easily by this.
Okay. So yeah. So see, there are lots of products available in the market. So it is advisable to go for them for all these things, or it is under the dermatologist has to prescribe all these things.
Exactly my point. People are just following so much of Instagram influencer, and just somebody saying that apply toothpaste, people are applying toothpaste. Somebody saying applying neem, people are applying neem. somebody who got burned is not even talking about that, her or his experience on YouTube. So people do not know कि उससे कितना side effects होता है ये घरेलू उपचार का, लोगों को नहीं
Exactly.
पता. तो I feel हर किसी की skin अलग होती है. You should not follow the crowd, and you can't take your skin on a toss. If anything happens, so that's really that's your skin which is going on a toss. You can't even complain to anyone because you chose, depending upon your influencer or somebody who's heavily paid to market particular product. I don't even know whether that product was authentic or not. So I
Exactly.
believe you should definitely take medicated prescription and follow your dermatologist.
Yeah, that's a wise option one should go for, right? So you already talked about the dietary changes. Is there any home remedy you can suggest for this?
See, not for everyone. If somebody who's not reacting to it, so then I definitely suggest that. If they have been doing, something like a home remedy, then they can do masoor dal with milk. So
Okay.
taking little dal, pour little milk in it, and then make it cool it in the fridge and then apply it. Another mask which I talk about is rice mask. You can
Mhm.
take 2 spoons of rice, little milk, boil it. जब cook हो गया rice, उसको crush करना है, grind कर लेना है. Grind करके put half spoon of olive oil and half spoon of cold pressed coconut oil. Make a paste out of it, and that cream you can store for 1 week. आप इसको
Okay.
अपने face पे लगाओ, you will get very good shine on your face. Because all the acid, like a natural peel which you can do, and this is very safe. I'm talking about the safe option. I'm not even jumping onto something which is irritant. Maybe haldi is very commonly irritant also.
अच्छा.
So jumping for safer option would be wise. And before starting, सबसे पहले कान के पीछे एक छोटी सी पैच में पैच टेस्टिंग कर लो. सीधा मत लगाना शुरू करो.
अच्छा. अच्छा. And how will the patch will determine the sensitivity? Will you please
आप
explain?
अगर वो क्रीम लगा रहे हो, उसको लगा रहे हो, आपको इमीडिएटली कैसा फील होता है? आपको ड्राइनेस होती है, इचीनेस होती है, खुजली होती है. सो जस्ट ऑब्जर्व दैट. अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है, डोंट गो फॉर इट. इफ योर स्किन इज फाइन, you don't get any sensitivity, then you can go ahead and do that.
Exactly. So what
But
are the
one
more
size does not fit all. So just don't follow blindly anybody who's doing
so
something.
consult a dermatology is the means ground rule. One has to consult a dermatology before trying all these things. That's true. So what are the mode of treatments available for that and risk involved? Means in medical.
Okay. Yes. देखो सबसे पहले तो we have many options, oral and systemic. Oral medication
Mhm.
and systemic medication. So oral में तो we can give you a lot of, depending upon the cause,
Sure.
we usually start with antioxidant or anything which is deficient. So वो देते हैं. We give you vitamin C. We give you lycopene and multiple supplements. We can be antioxidant like vitamin A, C or E. They are usually antioxidants. So ऐसी चीजें देते हैं. Vitamin E also has a good role. So
Mhm.
orally we give you the supplement. फिर उसके बाद creams के लिए there are a lot of lightening creams option. We can give you cream rich in many times. These are all prescription based medicine which I'm talking about. I don't want anyone to go and straight away apply that unless and until your doctor is monitoring it, because these
Mhm.
are double edged sword. कभी कभी ऐसा है कि अच्छा भी हो सकता है, कभी कभी there could be a problem also.
अच्छा.
So be careful before starting them. So lightening creams में tretinoin दे सकते हैं. We also give kojic acid or
Mhm.
arbutin, pine bark extract, azelaic acid. Azelaic acid. These options are very safe and very nice. But of course, after consultation with a dermatologist.
So
ये lightening
medicine.
creams है there because some of them are irritating also. So अगर आपने सही तरीके से नहीं लगाया तो अच्छा करने की जगह पे it can rather damage your skin. So that's why
अच्छा.
consultation and proper.
So you mentioned about the medications also, and you mentioned about peeling. So what is exactly that?
Peelings mein what we do is we apply a chemical thing on the face and we leave
Mhm.
it for certain time. And the the composition depends upon how much pigmentation and what grade and the skin type, everything. And we
Mhm.
leave it for certain amount of time, mostly 5 to 10 minutes, depending upon the skin quality and the type of the skin. And we remove it and utilize the skin. And the skin becomes very sensitive after that. So we advise you to apply sunscreen.
अच्छा.
And this can be repeated at 2 to 3 weekly interval
Mhm.
and in very strength. And this is done for at least 6 sitting to see variable result. I mean, so noticeable result.
Okay, okay. So someone is asking question is Swati is asking question reason for pigmentation on nose and the remedy. See, remedies she already talked about. You have to consult a dermatologist. That's the right thing. But she will talk about the repigmentation on your nose.
See,
Rashmi,
पिगमेंटेशन
please.
नोज पे, हाँ, नोज पिगमेंटेशन जो होगा मोस्टली इट कैन बी मेनी टाइम्स मेलाज्मा. कई बार ना नोज पे छोटा सा डॉट शुरू होता है, तो वो किस टाइप का पिगमेंटेशन, एक तो मेलाज्मा हो सकता है, देन दे कैन बी फ्रेकल्स और लेंटिजेस भी होते हैं इस एरिया पे. और कई बार आप देखते हो कि एक्ने के ब्लैक हेड्स व्हाइट हेड्स भी होते हैं नोज पे, सो दैट कैन आल्सो लीव बिहाइंड, जाने के बाद दे कैन लीव अ मार्क. सो दीज आर द कॉमन कॉजेस फॉर पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ द नोज. एंड अगेन यू हैव टू वेयर सनस्क्रीन. कैसा भी दिन है, रेनी, क्लाउडी, whatever type of day it is, summer, winter, you should always use sunscreen. That is
Okay.
one thing I would like to tell everyone.
Even they are sitting in the home.
And yes, still you need to apply sunscreen because
Yeah,
you are talking on your mobile, and that is also emitting radiation, blue
exactly.
filter. So
So,
your sunscreen also protects against them. So you should definitely use a sunscreen.
okay, one more is question from, I think, Nestha. Nestha is asking oily scalp and tips to combat it, please suggest. Okay, so it's out of topic, but please give
Yeah, yeah, no,
answer.
I don't mind. So oily scalp, you know, some people have genetically oily scalp. उनका हमेशा ऑयल सिक्रेशन ज्यादा होता है, तो सबसे पहले यू हैव टू शैम्पू मोर फ्रीक्वेंटली.
Okay.
क्योंकि ये कहाँ से आता है, बालों में जो ग्लैंड्स होते हैं उससे ही तो ऑयल आता है, राइट? So this oil needs to be controlled. You need to use a shampoo which is rich in glycolic acid, which can cut down the oil. And if there is too much of oil, then you can also use there's seborrhea or fungal infection, scaling है, और white जैसे dandruff हो जाता है वैसा कुछ है. You must include anti-dandruff shampoo. And
Okay.
there is a, yeah.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes, continue, please.
So anti-dandruff shampoo and shampoo more frequently. That's the best way to prevent oiliness.
Okay. So one more, this Louise asking one single, please, what is that language? Okay, we are talking in English and Hindi. So as we are, our audience is from India also, and audience is from the international audience is also there. So we are talking in both languages, Hindi and English. Okay, fine. So coming to the next topic, so scars. So it's really means what you can say, it's uneasy condition when there is a scar and pigmentation if it is on the visible areas of the skin. So how to deal with this?
See, scars, सबसे ज्यादा जो bothersome scar होता है सागर, that would be acne scars or deep pitted या फिर chicken pox के scars. They are very irritating scars. दो तरह के scars. I'm not talking about the change in color. Sometimes people also call the change in color as scars. Change in color is pigmentation, not scar. Scar is when the skin नीचे से खिंच रही है या there is a depression on the skin. It's irregular. It's not smooth like it should be. That is scar. So scars का depend करता है किस grade पे है. There are many options available now. We have lasers, peel, derma pen. We also have microneedling or microneedling radiofrequency devices. So in सबसे 60 to 80% तक you can control the scars, even the deep scars.
Acha. And those are because of the operative things, the scars happen. So how to deal with this?
हाँ, ऑपरेटिव थिंग्स की वजह से स्कार होता है तो हम उसको भी स्कार रिविजन सर्जरीज भी करते हैं. एंड वी आल्सो डू लेजर मशीन्स बेस्ड ट्रीटमेंट जिसमें स्कार्स ओवर द टाइम कम हो जाते हैं. सो दैट आल्सो कैन बी डन.
Okay, so there are some questions from my friends from the model industry, means fashion industries. So they are asking about underarm pigmentation is there. So for the photo shoot, what happened? Most of the times they do the bare body photo shoot. So lots of areas they are has to covered with the makeup. But is there any technique whether we can reduce that kind of pigmentation? So most commonly seen areas like underarms, if they are going for the underwear shoots, and the gluteal region or inner side of the thighs. So and then knees or legs or the forearms. So how to deal with it?
See, there are cream-based options also. Lightening creams I have already discussed about. I will just repeat it. Like things like retinoid or salicylic acid-based creams, or pine bark extract, kojic acid, or bulberry extract. These azelaic acid, these creams, they basically reduce the pigmentation. That can be applied. This is something you can do it on your own. Now there's certain treatment for which you need to go to the doctor. So then doctor will assess in certain series of sittings and then you will see improvement. So for that, you can go for treatments like peels, which we discussed, lightening peels specifically. There are certain leave-on peels also, which gives very good result. We just apply it and you leave it for 8 to 10 hours, and then you see immense peeling, and that actually really helps in pigmentation. And we also do laser-based treatment. Q-switch laser करते हैं reduction के लिए, जिसमें pigment की cells को breaks down and that is cleared by the body cells. So that is one option. And then there can be CO2 fractional laser can also be tried for initial pigmentation. Underarms के area में है तो most importantly अगर shoot कर रहे हैं तो never forget your sunscreen. Because tanning तो उसमें भी हो रहा है ना. You can use sunscreen. There are sunscreen which are tinted ones. That can be used for underarms area. That will be preventive and therapeutic also.
Okay, so that was a great session. Any question left or anything you want to add from your side? It's welcome.
See, for me, I would like to request all the viewers that they feel that if they are indoors, and that's a very common myth we feel. अगर हम घर पे हैं तो sunscreen की जरूरत नहीं है. No, that does not hold true. Whether you are indoor, outdoor, sunny day, cloudy day, summer, winter, any day, please, please, please wear your sunscreen. Always. That's your best anti-aging cream.
Okay, great. So one thing Sakshi is asking is Sanfe cream is good. What is Sanfe? I don't know. Sanfe, Sanfe. I don't know.
I have not heard about it.
Okay.
I'll have to check.
Okay. So, Sakshi, what you can do, you can connect with your dermatologist or Dr. Rashmi after this session, and you can get your queries cleared. Right? So here we come to the end. So thank you, Dr. Rashmi, for being with us. What giveaway message you want to give?
In case you have any skin complaints, please consult your dermatologist. Don't delay your skin problem. Because if your problem is small today, might become big, and today there is a cure, tomorrow it might be very difficult to treat. So report to your dermatologist at the earliest. And don't just follow anything over the social media, that all the Instagram hacks and stuff. Definitely just stick to your dermatologist.
Exactly. There are lots of things goes on. Everyone is going and making some videos and saying, apply this, apply that. So it's damaging your own skin. So this is the takeaway message from this session. Consult your dermatologist. Don't try anything on your skin unless and until it is advised by the dermatologist. And you have to choose the right dermatologist. Right. Like Dr. Rashmi. Okay, thank you, Dr. Rashmi, for being with us. You were so busy.
Pleasure being in your show. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Welcome. Okay, you can sign off now. I'll put this video on the Insta so that the viewers can check it after. Okay, bye.
Bye.